Hello everyone, I just finished repairing this armrest for my car, and I thought I should share it. For those who have a Honda Accord and they have this place in the car, they know exactly what I'm talking about. If you look at this, it's almost getting off, and when it gets off it looks so terrible. And so I just repaired this one. I used pure leather to repair it, and I thought I should share it. If you have to take this out to fix it, you want to make sure that you buy like good leather, like pure leather, and then you buy like a kind of fabric glue. There's another kind of glue that is really good, but I was unable to find that one. I don't remember the name I've shared with you guys, but if you know a good one, you can always put in the comments. But this is what I use. You need this glue to be able to give this shape like this, and if you don't put the glue, you're not gonna have a nice shape. And again, this is pure leather. It is very nice. It's gonna last long. Unfortunately, I was unable to take this piece out. It was difficult for me to take it out, so I didn't really bother about it. But this one, it looked so terrible. It looked horrible, and I just decided to take it out. So if you want to replace these, what I recommend for you to do again is to get this type of fabric glue, and then to take this out, don't force it here. If you force it here, there's some clips in the back, they're gonna break. I'm telling you from experience. What you want to do is this whole door, the panel, it comes out from the bottom, so you want to open it from the bottom. When you open it from the bottom, this place just sits down here. So when you open it from the bottom, you want to push the door up like this and take it out. But before you do that, you want to make sure you take out this screw right here. There's a screw here, and behind here there are two screws. So once you take that out and you pop out the clips on the bottom, you will be able to push this door upwards on this side. Push it upward. The reason why you're pushing it upward from this side is because here it will not be able to go up, and so it cannot come out this under the tweeter speaker here. So you want to push it from the back, and then you pull it out this way. When you pull it out, it's going to come out here. And so I just wanted to share that that's what I did in order to repair this. It looks so nice and soft. And for those who have a Honda Accord, you know what I'm talking about. You're not gonna like it when you see this place. So I just repaired mine, and I thought I should share that knowledge to someone who want to do it by themselves. Enjoy doing it, guys. It's not so difficult, but at the same time you gotta be careful so that you don't spray the glue all over the place. The glue, you can actually wipe it off your hands and stuff, but it's not as strong compared to another one where when you put it on two sides and it dries up and you lay this, it's gonna just sit all over the place. So what I did with this one, because my glue is not as good, on the back I use a thread. I use a very heavy duty thread on the back to pull it in place, and that's why it looks like this. But the glue helped a lot because it gave me that curve, that shape. Without the glue, I wouldn't have had that. So I thought I should share the knowledge. I hope it's going to be helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment, suggestions, and also tell me what you want me to talk about. I like working on different types of stuff. Whether you're talking about electrification, electricity, or you're talking about plumbing, or you talk about working on the car, on the engine. I do a lot of things, whether it's about working on drywall, or just replacing your outlet in the house, or fixing your faucet, or replacing it. Anything, just talk. If there's anything you want me to talk about, please, I would like to share that knowledge. I really want to be able to reach out to a lot of people and share what I know. And I'm not being prideful by saying that I know how to do a lot of things. I grew up, my dad was a jack of all trades, and I thought it's better for me to not just keep that knowledge with me. It's good for me to share the knowledge, because some people have not been exposed to the type of hands-on experience that I have, and so it's better for me to share that so someone can learn from it and better their life in one way or another. I hope you have a great time. You had a great time watching this video, and please, if you like it, please feel free to put a like on it and share it to someone, because someone might learn from it, someone might benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching.